Hi, I am Maneet Chauhan and I'm so excited to be showing you one of my favorite street Indian breakfast recipes, Egg Bhurjee. This used to be something that my mom would make with flatbreads, and whenever we would go out, this was our to-go breakfast dish. In fact, I make this every Sunday for my kids. Let's get started. Egg Bhurjee is Indian spice scrambled eggs, and I promise you that after you taste this, I don't think you're going to go back to the old boring scrambled eggs because we've spiced it up. Don't forget to subscribe and see me show you two more recipes. One is a Ross omelette, which is a spiced omelette in a curry sauce, and we have a vada pav, which is a mashed potato in a burger bun. We're going to start this recipe with some ghee. So when the ghee melts, we'll go ahead and add some cumin seeds to it. And then of course, the cumin seeds has to dance. Chopped ginger, some chopped garlic. Saute this for a few minutes. Now when the garlic starts turning golden in color, that's the time I'm putting some chilies. This is chopped serrano. Now I'm going to add some chopped onions to this. So now while the onions are caramelizing, let's go ahead and crack the eggs. Make sure that your eggs are cold. It makes your scrambled egg a lot more fluffier. I'm going to be putting some milk in this, some salt, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and a little bit of cilantro. So now our onions have started caramelizing. Go ahead and add some chopped tomatoes. Amazing smells! I'm going to be adding a touch of salt right now. It's all about adding salt in layers so that you get the flavor which comes together very well. Now let's go ahead and add our egg mixture in. Now we are going to go ahead and slowly mix this till it becomes scrambled eggs. Make sure that this is not at a really high temperature. It needs to be on medium flame, because if it is at a high flame, the edge which touches the pot is going to burn, and there is nothing worse than burnt eggs. Now just the addition of garam masala gives this dish a very warming flavor to it. Now garam masala, translated from Hindi, it means warming spices. So garam masala has warming spices like cinnamon, star anise, black cardamom. And the fun part about garam masala is every household in India has its own signature garam masala blend. That's the reason why dishes taste differently from one household to the other, even though you might be following the exact same recipe. Some more cilantro right on top. Now chaat masala is a blend of spices which has dried raw mango powder as the predominant spice. So it gives a very tart flavor to anything that you add it to. So now that our egg bhurjee is ready, there are a couple of different ways that you can serve it. Traditionally in India, it's served with a parantha, which is an Indian flatbread. My favorite part about the bhurjee was a big dollop of butter. The butter slowly melts and everything mixes together. Put the bhurjee right on top. Garlic pickle is one of my favorites. It does have a little bit of spice to it, but when you have this together, it's amazing. The other way to serve it is on a toast. I have a multi-grain toast over here. So we just go ahead, do an open face egg bhurjee toast. And what I like to do is I have some pickled peppers right over here. So it is sweet and spicy, that goes on top. some cilantro. Look at how amazing this looks. But I've got to tell you, my favorite as a kid, Mom used to get this white bread. She would load it up with the bhurjee, and we would make a bhurjee burger out of it with some Indian ketchup. So while you're enjoying all of these, I am going to go ahead and make a bhurjee roll for myself. I have the flatbreads, going to be putting the bhurjee in it. Take some of the pickles. This is the fun part about cooking. You can go ahead and put your own signature on it and have this like a taco. Guys, this is so good. There you have it, guys. I mean, how simple was this? This is flavorful, it's delicious. If you like this, please put in a comment. I would love to hear your feedback. Make sure to press the like button. And for more recipes like this, subscribe below. I have 2 delicious recipes coming up. One is a Ross omelette, which is a spiced omelette in a curry sauce. And we have a vada pav, which is a mashed potato in a burger bun. So delicious. Till next time, see ya.